In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zotero and Obsidian to simplify research. By the end, you'll have Zotero set up and connected to Obsidian through a community plugin, and you'll be ready to draft notes that pull clean, consistent citations from your library. I'll keep things simple and guide you through each click so you can follow along in real time. First, head to the official Zotero website and open the download page. Choose the installer that matches your operating system and download the app. On that same page, you'll usually see an option for a browser connector. If you see it, go ahead and grab it while you're here. It lets you save articles and references from your browser directly into Zotero, which is incredibly useful for building your library. Once the download finishes, run the installer and open Zotero so it's ready to go. The default settings work well for most people, and you don't need to change anything right now. Now switch over to Obsidian. Open the vault where you keep your research notes so everything we set up lands in the right place. Inside Obsidian, look for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click that to enter the Settings panel. In the Settings panel, find the Community Plugins section. If you're prompted to allow community plugins, that's normal. Community plugins extend Obsidian's features, but they come from third-party developers, so only install what you trust. Go ahead and proceed so we can add the Zotero integration. Next, click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. This is a searchable list of plugins maintained by the Obsidian community. In the search bar, type Zotero integration. You're looking for the plugin designed to communicate with the Zotero desktop app and bring references, metadata, and even annotations into your notes. Read the short description to make sure it matches what you want. When you found it, click Install and then click Enable. Installing adds the plugin to your vault. Enabling turns it on. Many plugins add an options panel inside Obsidian settings, so if you see a Zotero integration section appear, that's expected. Some setups automatically detect Zotero. If you're asked for permission or to confirm the path to Zotero, follow the on-screen prompts. Leaving defaults as is typically fine at this stage. With the integration enabled, let's create a space for your research notes. Close settings and return to your vault. Click New Note to create a fresh page. Give it a name that makes sense for your project, such as a topic, a paper you're drafting, or a collection of sources. You can always move or rename it later. Now paste content into your note. This can be a simple template or a placeholder you like to use when capturing references, such as headings for title, author, year, and a short summary. If you already have a preferred research template, paste that here. If not, even a couple of headings for citation details and key insights is enough to get started. The goal is to have a structure ready so that as you bring items in from Zotero, you know exactly where to place titles, links, and notes. Keeping the template minimal at first helps you focus on consistency rather than complexity, and you can refine it later as your workflow evolves. At this point, you have the essentials in place. Zotero is installed, Obsidian is open to your research vault, the Zotero integration plugin is installed and enabled, and you have a note ready for information. From here, your workflow becomes much smoother. You collect sources into Zotero as you browse and read, and you draft and organize your thinking in Obsidian. The integration bridges the two, letting you reference items consistently so you don't have to retype titles, authors, or links. A few quick tips as you start using this setup. Keep Zotero open while you work in Obsidian so the integration can talk to it reliably. Use clear naming for your notes and keep them in a dedicated folder so your references and drafts live together. And as your needs grow, you can expand your note template with sections for quotes, page numbers, and tags for themes or arguments. That's it. You've connected Zotero to Obsidian, enabled the integration, created a new note, and set up a place to paste your research structure. You're now ready to simplify your research and keep everything consistent from source to summary.